Guys, Braden here again to you with a different tutorial with a little twist to it. So today I'm going to use this palette. As always, I think this is the most pigmented palette in my collection, and I'm proud to say that because it's true. So I'm coming to you with a bare face, but one eye I did off camera, and this is the eye we're going to create in this one. So this one is going to be shown to you guys so that you can see what we'll be doing. Without further ado, let's get into it, okay? With our eyes, I'm going to prime, and I'm going to use just this eye concealer, which is Cool Tan, for our base. You know, when we pack our eyeshadow, we're going to get the best of the pigment. So I'm using this Cool Tan, and all I do is just apply, then blend. So next we are going to blend the whole thing and make sure that it's blended seamlessly. Before I start applying, I'm going to apply a tape just to get the exact places where we're going to apply. And to apply my tape, I'm going to be very close to my eyes and just put it like that, yeah? So that when we just remove our tape, you're going to see it will look exactly like this eye. We're going in with this palette, and I'm using this color here, which looks like more of burgundy red, or let me just say burgundy, but not really. So it's burgundy red. Like I said, this palette doesn't have names, so I don't have anywhere I can read the names and tell you the colors that I'm using, but I'm using this color just next to this orange. So using is to start from outwards going inwards, but I'm going to make like a curve. Then I make sure it starts from outwards towards inwards. But the first method is just packing our product to get the best of our pigments or our eyeshadow. I'm going in with a fluffy brush, and I'm taking this color, this orange color, and I'm just going above the burgundy color that we applied and layer it first before blending. And I'm starting again from where we started, outwards to inwards. Then I just blend. And make sure it's well layered before blending. So I do bits by bit. Like so. So to cut our crease, I'm going to use this same base that we used, this Cool Tan.
So guys, I have hooded eyes, and it's always a struggle, especially when I'm trying to cut my crease. That's why I tried to adapt this method and see how this will work for me. So please follow. I know this was not supposed to be a talk over, but I just did this for you. Follow what I'm doing, and this will work also for you when you try to cut your crease. If you have hooded eyes like me, it's a struggle, y'all.
Starting with the burgundy color we applied, and I'm just going to feather it in at the edge and drag it outwards, and make sure the pigment is well seen, like you have to get in there.
So this is the point where I'm packing in the burgundy color, and I'm making sure it's as deep and rich as possible.
You need to use your brush wet, and I'm using both sides because I'm going to go in with two shimmers, and I'm using these two shimmers here. It's a yellow one and a green one, but I'm mixing them together to get this effect that we have on this other eye. From this set of glitter liner, I'm going to use this red and this green. I hope you can see. So I have enough pigment, but I'm not going to put the green first because I want the green to meet somewhere with our eyeliner, and so I'm going first to draw where I want with my eyeliner. Then I'm going to do this off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show you where we're going to put the green. So now I have my eyeliner on, and I'm going just to make this effect of green and red and make sure that it meets with our eyeliner. So we have our lashes on both eyes. Let's get into the face. For my face, I'm starting with a primer, and I'm using this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. It's gel-like. I'm going to use this Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. It's super matte.
So this, guys, was all about eyeshadow, but I ended up doing my face on camera, although I lost some of the clips, so please bear with me. I did my highlight on my contour without showing, and I used Cool Tan and Mahogany for my contour. So I highlighted with Cool Tan and Mahogany and blended everything off camera. I'm so sorry I did not put the clip here.
Setting powder. So I'm going to set our highlights. Next, I'm going all over our face with Fit Me Maybelline. It's a compact powder in 355 Cinnamon. Next, I'm going in with this Juvia's Place palette. It's the Nubian 2, and I'm using Kenya for our contour. Even got lazy to buy a contour. Felt like it does the work, so why not? I'm just setting where we contoured. I'm going to do my baby hairs, they just look awful. Next, I'm going to add some blush, and for my blush color, I'm going to use this color in Jezebel on the same palette. I always use Jezebel or Morocco, but I'm so fond of Jezebel. I'm fond of Jezebel. It gives me that, you know. For our under eyes, yes, it's Christmas season and everything is red and green, so I felt like doing this. So let's see how this turns out. Next, I'm going to go in with this black liner, this tiny. So for our highlight today, we are going to use this highlight. It's the Langmani, yeah, Langmani highlight, and I'm going to use this side, yeah. This Kiss Beauty 24K makeup fix. For our lipstick, I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown. It's what is the number? Bare Pink. It's this color. And I'm also going to use this Huda in Nemo. So I'm going to put this on the outer, then put this in the middle, and I'm going to be right back. Guys, this is everything that I had to incorporate. Thank you so much for watching this video. I wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2021. And thank you so much for watching. Keep on subscribing, tell your friends to subscribe, and I'm going to meet you on our next. Till next time, God bless. Bye.